In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drawing in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sketch inside Grok's chat, add color, submit your idea, and then enhance it with built-in options like making a video or refining edits. Start by opening grok.com in your browser. On the main page, look for the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Click inside the chat field so it's ready for input. Right next to that field, you'll see a small paperclip icon. This is your gateway to tools that go beyond plain text. Click the paperclip to open the attachment and tool menu. From the menu, choose Draw a Sketch. This opens a simple canvas where you can rough out your idea. Don't worry about perfection here. Grok just needs your intent. Use your mouse or trackpad to draw a quick sketch or simple shapes that represent what you have in mind. A circle for a sun, a rectangle for a house, arrows to show motion. Clear, bold strokes are easier for the system to interpret. If color helps communicate your idea, pick a color from the palette and continue drawing. Color can signal emphasis or different parts of your concept, so use it to separate elements or highlight important details. Take your time to make the sketch readable, but keep it simple. When you're happy with your draft, click Done. You'll be returned to the chat with a thumbnail of your sketch attached. In the message field, type exactly what you want Grok to do with your drawing. Be specific and action-oriented, like turn this sketch into a clean line drawing, generate a playful icon from this, or create a more detailed version while keeping the same layout, and clear instructions lead to better results. Press enter to send your message. Grok will process the sketch and respond with its output. If you want to enhance the result further, tap on the drawing in the chat. This opens options to continue working from that image. Here you can choose Make Video to animate or present your drawing in motion, depending on the available features. This is useful for quick explainers or showcasing a transformation. Alternatively, select the option to describe your edit and type a precise follow-up, such as refining lines, adjusting colors, or adding small details while preserving the original composition. Send your instruction and review the updated result. That's it. Open the chat, use the paperclip to draw, add color, click Done, describe what you want, press Enter, and then enhance by tapping the image to make a video or refine your edits.